Well, let me show you this little table I made, something my son-in-law wanted for he and my daughter. And they wanted it, they're going to be sitting on the couch here. And they wanted something that goes under the couch, but yet gives them a little place to put their cups, stuff like that. Clicker, you know, remote control. We call it the clicker. Anyway, it's 11 inches wide. That piece right there is 11 inches. So it's 11 inches wide. It's 20, that piece right there is 19, so it's 20 inches from there to there, because this is a 1-inch piece of pipe, so that adds 1 inch. That's a 19-inch piece. That's 1 inch. That's 21 inches, so it's 22, 23, because it's, yeah, here's an extra inch. So 21, 22, 23. So basically 11 by 23 by 21 or 2, 19, 20 inches, I think, that way. He's the woodworker among us. I do rough woodworking, and he does some finish work, some real nice stuff. So he's going to come in here and put a tabletop on it. I've got some real nice wood. It's cypress, and I think he's going to use that. It's got a little groove in it. This actually was kind of like shingles, but I think he's going to take some of this. It's not shingles. It was on a garage door that the whole house was cypress wood, and so they made the garage door, skinned it out in cypress. And I've got a bunch of these pieces just like this. They're, well, like that. They're weathered and whatever. Cypress will never rot. It's just be a great even an outdoor thing. But he's going to put a tabletop on it. Well, here's the little table finished. My son-in-law did the wood, I did the metal, and pretty neat. That is cypress. I had a bunch of cypress I salvaged from my little project, and anyway, this is what he did under there. I don't know whether you see how well you can see that. Let's see if I can turn it over without making a lot of ruckus and racket. Just attached it with some screws, and this is let's see, three cypress boards. 1, 2, 3. They've got a groove cut in them, and he rounded the edge off, and he put pads on it to where it just slides right under the couch. So that's it, sitting there on the couch. Sorry, the lighting is not all that great, but a pretty neat little table. I don't have a tape with me, but it's I don't know, pretty cool. I don't know exactly how big it is. Rounded off, smooth, and these are the holes that was in the wood when he got it. Just adds character to it, I think. But pretty cool. Slides up under the couch or under a chair or beside a chair. Thought you might want to see it. Pretty neat. Pretty neat little table. All right, we're gone.